The challenge of making a business case for the digitalisation of manufacturing. Although digitalisation offers critical opportunities for manufacturers, decision makers struggle to make the investments necessary to capture these opportunities. Investments in digitalisation go beyond just acquiring equipment and often involve pilots to stimulate learning, organisation-wide change processes, and new business models. Successful digitalisation requires decision makers to rethink how to calculate their ROI, how to measure performance, and how to define their assessment scope. Although investments in digitalisation are considered riskier than investments in production equipment, they can create much higher returns in the long term. In fact, the biggest risk may be missing opportunities to invest and losing market share to digital innovators. Investments in digitalisation should be assessed as portfolios of interlinked projects. Decision makers need to consider how the impact, time horizon, and the risk level of each investment affects the overall portfolio. Decision makers should also prioritise investments based on the future options and flexibility they create for the manufacturer and its digitalisation journey. By rethinking their investment process and decision making, manufacturers can make more compelling business cases for digitalisation. The Interact Network provides a platform for manufacturers and researchers to work together to better capture the significant business opportunities digitalisation offers to the UK's manufacturing industry. The full report and other resources to support manufacturers with their digitalisation journey can be found at the Interact website.